channel. My name is Amal, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a little build that I made. So as also you guys know, my favorite color is purple, so I realized that I never really had a purple house before, nor I built one. Mostly I like pink or like the bad dragon theme or the Easter one, so I thought why not build a purple house for myself. So let's start. I'm at my 117-day login streak. I didn't lost it. I thought I lost it for a second, but then I joined back in, but I didn't lost it, and that's really nice. I know what it happens. I'm just so close to losing it, but I don't. Okay, so when you enter the house, there's like this little kitchen area where you can sit and chill. I used a dish to make the table. Okay, actually, how about I think I should zoom in so you guys can like see better. Yeah, this is how it looks like. So I used a disc to make the table. I have the hard chairs. I used the oven hood, and I used some cabinets with very pastel colors. I stacked some plates in here, and I used the retro aquatic fridge, and I really seem to like it. I've never really used retro aquatic furniture before, except for a time I showed you guys that when it came out. I thought why not use it? It looks really nice. I love it. And here we have a little pet area where your pets can use, or like if your pet like has a need. Oh, I got a paycheck. That's nice. Okay, so when your pet has a need, they can like drink and eat in here. Here we have a little dress up area where you can. Oh, oopsie. I'm glitched, I think. Why does this always happen to me? Like seriously. Okay, yeah. So here we had a little like dress up area. I didn't use the normal like what do you call it, dressing table, because I feel like this looks a lot more cuter, and that one you can't even change the color of, which is sad. So yeah. Okay, here we have a little what do you call it, lounge area. Let me just zoom out a little. There's like this lounge area. I really like the sofa, the couches that I used. This one looks like, and by the way, let me take out a pet and show it to you guys. Your pet can actually sleep in here, but that's very nice. And these tables are, let me show you guys the name. I really like these are the modern tables. You guys might be like, this is big and the modern table is small, so I used two and I joined them. That was really nice. I like the modern table a lot. So I use these poofy chairs and I really like them. This here looks like what happened, guys. First I made like a completely different layout with a lot of pink, and I just didn't seem to like it because the house is supposed to be purple, so I changed it to this dark purple color. Let me show it to you guys which color it is. It's this color right here, next to the real dark blue. Okay, so I changed it to this one because I really like it. I am on top of the table. Then I use some mirrors. So as also you guys know, mirrors make the place look a lot more open and bigger, so I use these. And this is a brick television that I used first. I thought of making like the television people, I'm pretty sure you guys have seen that they use bricks, so I made it, but I didn't like it because I don't know, the bricks were really like annoying and cramped and stuff, so I just changed it this one. And these are bricks. Use some candles and this futuristic television. So you guys might be like, why is this lamp off? I think when I turn it on, it's just too bright, and like the only attraction is this place because it's just too bright. And okay, I just turned it off. Here we have the bedroom. So this is the bedroom. Here I have my recording area where I could record videos. Oh, okay, why is this like this? Let me fix it. I hate when this happens. Okay, yeah. So I have my recording area. I could record. I have my mic. I could turn it off. Oh, I have a unicorn lamp. I have some of my books and candles, and on the above it says Amal's life. So yeah, oopsie. Then I have my bed and a mirror. And guys, do you see the background? Let me show it to you guys. I made this. What I did was I used the metal drawing board and I added a brick on top of it and a small disc. And I also have some mirrors here because of course it makes the place look open. I have two cloud beds. They were really expensive. It's $190 each, and when you sell it, it's just $123. So what I did was I made a bed using bricks, but then I liked it a lot. But then when I saw the cloud bed, I have never used it before because I know I never really do very light pastel thing builds. I mean I do, but I don't know how to explain it. Okay, so I just used it because I really liked it. It looks very comfortable. Okay, yeah. Now the last part we have is the bathroom. So this bathroom has a very very long story behind it. I'll tell you guys what happened. So what happened was I made a very very fancy bathroom, but the problem with it was this room, like, let me show it to you guys. This is like a really huge room. Then this room is bigger than the other one. So I planned my design, my build according to the other room, but that just didn't work in this one. It looked so cramped. I couldn't even like walk in, walk out. So then I had to change it completely. Like, I didn't like it. Okay, La Penguin Lamb. I didn't like it as much because you can't even walk in. You can't even see the build that I made. So I just changed it to this one. So it's night time, but I would show you. I added some mirrors. I kept this wall white because I feel like it makes the place look a lot more open. And if I added bricks, it would on the wall. Like, let me show it to you guys one thing. This right here, you guys can see that these are bricks. Like, I added bricks. Oh, this one is uneven. Some are uneven, but can you guys ignore that? It would help a lot. Let me fix it really quickly. I hate unevenness. Oh my god. Seriously, does this need to happen? Okay, fine. That's fine. Guys, I fixed it. So this is how it looks like. This is a little entrance with this kitchen area. I used bricks because, as all of you guys know, the rug, I don't know why, what happened. I just cannot slide it inside the wall. I don't know what's the problem. So I used bricks in here. Can you still see these doors, like this part? Let me just this. All of this is bricks, and I'll tell you guys a life hack. If there's like a issue with the door, if you slide it too in, like on the inside looks bad, on the outside looks bad, and the bricks are glitching, I use two doors. So one for like this part here, I use one for here, so that this is for like when it doesn't glitch like that, and one here, so it looks so uneven. I did the same for this. Okay, I'll tell you guys. So perfect, it's daytime now, and we have the mirror, we have some books on this chopping board and a penguin lamp, because why not? Okay, what just happened? And we have this DIY sink, but as I told in my previous video, this is the bricks, and I used a pet water bowl and a wood bowl. So I did that. I added a poster because I feel like it looks a lot more better, and yeah. So this is the bathtub for the pet. Okay, we have some bamboo plants, and why did I don't know why, but I just had to add the skull candle. It's not a creepy build, it's a very fun build, but I just saw it and I was just like, I need to add this one. I don't know why, what I was thinking, but I just added it, and I like it, so I'm not changing it. Okay, and then I have this DIY thing that I showed in my also my Easter home build, that how I made this like carpet type with circles and stuff, and add some candles, and these are bricks too. Okay, what just happened? There's a lot going on. Okay guys, so this one from my video. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, smash the like button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys. I forgot to tell that there's this, like, I use the neon signs for this square. It just for little details. It was really expensive. It costed $800 for this. But yeah, I really like it, so it's completely optional, and yeah, I'll see you guys.